Credit cards तो scam है. Often you hear people on social media talk about devaluation of credit cards. At this point, let me introduce you to the concept of devaluation cycles and revaluation cycles. Devaluation cycles are those when cards and banks are continuously reducing reward rates of their credit cards or some features of their credit cards. Revaluation on the other side are a time period when the bank is actually improving their offerings. And when you talk about revaluation cycles, think two types of brands: disruptive brands and probably challenger brands. Think KPI. When you say disruptive brands, they are trying to introduce new customer habits, the way people use credit cards, it's changing. But when you think challenger brands, think HSBC. HSBC in the first iteration for their HSBC Premier card introduced something called Miles Partners. In the second iteration, they actually launched something called reward multipliers. When you earn at a higher rate, then you can double dip on the Miles Partners that are already been launched. Recently, they also launched something called a set of premium features where, for example, golf, health, something around airport transfers, for example, and it's clear that they are in midst of a revaluation cycle. When you are in the midst of a revaluation cycle, you are more likely to come out winning. So the next time you're applying for a credit card, pause for 60 seconds. Think if you're entering a devaluation cycle or a revaluation cycle. Otherwise,